We've got 4 exciting updates on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, including a leaked hands-on image and some promising internal changes. Let's dive in. First up, a new image showcasing the rear panel in silver is circulating online. It reveals a noticeably wider design compared to the Z Fold 6, with redesigned camera rings that resemble the S25 Ultra's look. The flash has shifted slightly downward, and the camera module appears bulkier. But here's the catch. Are we seeing the real Galaxy Z Fold 7 or just a polished render? The leak comes from Digital Chat Station, a credible source, but there's a key detail missing: the hinge. Unlike the Z Fold 6, there's no hinge in sight here. Unless Samsung has pulled off a radical design change, which seems unlikely, this image leaves room for doubt. So, take it with a grain of salt. Even if the leaked image isn't legit, the dimensions line up with multiple CAD renders, confirming the Z Fold 7 will be noticeably wider than the Z Fold 6. But the real headline? It's Samsung's thinnest foldable yet, just 3.9 millimeters when open and 9 millimeters folded. Sleeker, wider, and more refined. You might wonder, if it's 3.9 millimeters unfolded, shouldn't it be 7.88 millimeter folded? Not quite. Samsung, like other foldable makers, excludes the raised plastic bezel from the unfolded thickness. That bezel protects the display when closed and adds to the folded measurement. Some leakers, like OnLeaks, claim Samsung's bending the numbers, but here's the technical reason behind the mismatch. Calling this misleading feels like a stretch. The excluded plastic bezel is minimal, just like how camera bumps aren't factored into phone thickness. Industry standards focus on the core body, not trim elements, so unless Samsung does something truly deceptive, this isn't it. That said, with a device this thin, every detail counts. Next up, durability. Will the Z Fold 7 fold like a Kit Kat in stress tests? Probably not. Samsung is replacing the carbon fiber backplate with titanium, the same material used in the Fold Special Edition. This internal plate supports the hinge and display, so the upgrade should boost strength without adding bulk. Full titanium frame? Still unconfirmed, but it would be a welcome move. Titanium's not just tough, it shrugs off drops far better than aluminum. Let's hope Samsung goes all in. Now onto the S Pen. New reports from Korea confirm the Fold 7 is getting a redesigned S Pen that doesn't need a built-in digitizer. Like Apple's Pencil, it tracks movement internally, which means it'll need charging. But the real game changer, it could work on both the inner and outer displays. Fold users have wanted this since day one, and if Samsung delivers, it's a huge win. But let's be real, Samsung has a habit of saving features for next-gen launches. So don't be surprised if full S Pen support on the cover screen gets reserved for the Fold 8. Hopefully not this time.